everyone. So here in this video we are going to learn a very interesting thing which we usually require in our day-to-day job, maybe we can say. So what I mean is highlighting the duplicates, right? So I mean, so far we have learned in our data, I mean in pandas, that how to remove the duplicates. But what if we just don't want to remove the duplicates but simply want to see where all the duplicate is? Something like where which you can see right over here. You see this like looking at the row number 3rd and 4th, you can see the entire row is duplicate. When you see this part, it says in bill month, it says that these are the values which are duplicate. If you see in customer ID, these are the customer IDs which seems to be duplicate. Okay, so what if you want to achieve this part only? How are you going to solve this? All right, that's what we are going to cover in this video. So this is something which we are going to solve using conditional formatting. If you remember, or if you have followed this series over here, this is the one video which I had created where I showed you how you can use conditional formatting to highlight the between values, max, min, etc. Okay, right? So same way we are going to use we can consider this as the next next video in the same series in context of conditional formatting. Okay, so let's just stay with this video and see how we can solve this in very simple steps. So over here I have already imported the data frame, right? This is the data frame, and now in this we need to highlight the duplicate. So for that, what we need to do is we first need to define a function, simple function. Okay, so for that I'm going to say highlight def. Let's just define a function, highlight duplicates, and then in this we need to return a variable. Okay, and over here I'm going to say return, and this in this we are going to put a format over here. For example, background dash color. Background color, we want to color the background in red. Okay, if x, right, else I'm going to keep it blank. This is nothing but just putting a function. Means we will be applying this on a variable, and into that, if it finds x is nothing but it represents to the duplicate. Okay, if it finds duplicate, then I'm saying that just highlight it, otherwise just skip this. Okay, and for x in var is nothing but the variable which we will be applying this formula, var dot duplicated. You remember, duplicated is the function which we usually use, right, to deal with the duplicates. Now this is done. We are done with defining the function. The next step which we need to do is apply this function on a variable, or on a data frame rather, you can say, where we want to highlight the duplicates. Okay, so for example, let's say I want to highlight on the above data frame, right? So this is the data frame which I have. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm simply going to say df dot, on this we need to choose style. Okay, df dot style. Let's just see if we are getting that auto completed. Style, yeah, here it is, and then apply. Yeah, and into this we are simply going to use this highlight. No, wait, inside this df we need to put the variable name as well on which we want to apply this. Okay, so for that, what we can do is let's just put this first. Okay, first let's just put this function highlight dupes. Okay, and let's just see what's gonna happen. Wow, we just got it, right? So over here this this particular thing is applied on whole data set, right? So that's where it is showing like this. Now if you want to apply it on a particular column, for example, let's say customer ID, so here you can use subset, and inside this just put customer ID, and you see it is going to do the highlight in customer ID only. If you want to put it in first name only, first name, you put it on first name. Whatever column in which you want to look for the duplicate, you just put that column name over here and it will show you the duplicates. All right, so I hope it was easy for you to understand. Just in case if you get any doubt, put that into the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you on that, and let me know in what context you applied this. If I find that very helpful, I'm gonna make another video on that. Until then, happy learning. Wish you very